I started to make a video of what I'm doing here, or what I'm preparing to do. Got the air filter off. I really need to replace it. It's pretty funky looking, and as you can see, this carburetor is pretty nasty. Got the throttle or choke cable loose. Got to take the throttle cable, take it loose, and fuel lines. And hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. My phone was ringing, but gotta take them fuel lines off, stuff yet. And what we're going to do is I got a brand new carburetor here, complete with a gasket. Okay. So here's the new carburetor. Got a heck of a deal on that, guys. Bought it off eBay. It was $20, free shipping. And as you can see, or hopefully you can see, they're identical. So yeah, I got to take this air filter base off, put on that and everything. But being I'm not going to be able to hold this camera, it's my phone. My digital camera, the batteries are dead. I got them charging up. I was going to use it, but it is what it is. So what I'll do is I'll well, yeah, here's what I'm going to do. Well, I can use one hand here. Take this off. Okay. Alright. Now see if I can. Nope. Okay. Still. Good grief. Alright, we'll do it like this. Okay. Okay. Alright. So, get that part off. Now, the rest of this I'm going to have to do with two hands. So, when I get the new carburetor on there, I will get the camera back on, and we'll finish out the video. Be right back. Okay, guys. As you can see, I got the screws out. I still got to take the throttle linkage loose in that one fuel line. I got to get off there, and then probably try to clean that intake up a little bit before I put the new carburetor on there, and then we'll move on to the next step. So, be right back. Alright guys, here's the old carburetor. She's filthy. The problem, the engine was running with this. The problem I had was while it was running, you know, fuel would just pour out of it. And I was going to rebuild it, you know, clean it up and rebuild it. But I found that brand new carburetor for 20 bucks, you know. Well, it was $20, and figured well, that's probably better than trying to rebuild this one. Which what I'll do is I'll hang on to this, and I will eventually clean it and rebuild it, have it as a spare. But you know, for now, I'm just gonna put that new one on there and see what happens. So on to the next one. Okay guys, I got the carburetor on there. I didn't clean up the intake like I said I was going to do, because I don't have any carb cleaner. The can I got's empty. I don't know why I even still have it, but it's on there. Now I'm concerned with this right here. It's a little loose, so I'll probably have to go get a clamp for it, and then I'll pick up some carb cleaner and clean that intake. I'm gonna have to get a new air filter, because mine's pretty filthy, and I hate to ruin a good carburetor. But yeah, so it's all back together, and choker. Hopefully the battery's up. There's my key. So make sure there ain't nothing in the way. I don't see anything. But now I didn't prime the carburetor or nothing yet. I do need to turn this fuel on. Okay. And see what happens here. there you have it. Okay. Belt is, look at these, she's smoking hot. It needs replaced. But she runs, guys. I just need to get this tire aired up. Get that air filter. And I just noticed when I turn the key off, it doesn't shut the engine off. So I think I know what that is. I believe it's this wire right here. I need to hook that up to the solenoid. But yeah. Because this wire goes to the ignition switch. Anyways, she runs, guys. There you have it. My 1973 ST16 with a Tecumseh 10 horse. And I'm probably, for the time being, going to pull the deck off of it. Get that belt off here, so I want to get it replaced before it breaks. But if any of you know what size or what the part number is for that deck belt, what size it is, PM me or comment on the video, whatever. Please let me know. I'd like to get it replaced, because it's an old one. I mean, it's, as you can see, there's a place that's cracked. It's like that all through. See, here's this one, and then here's one. About every 6 inches, it's that away. And yeah, just let me know if you know what it is. I'd appreciate it. I mean, I could just take it off and go match it up, have them take it to a parts store where they can measure it. But if somebody already knows the part number for the belt, that'd be great. So, till next time, y'all have a good one. Good day.